This video is sponsored by the makers of SenSlip, the undergarment for men that solves sensitivity problems.
Hi everybody, welcome back to Big Review. I'm Jim, this is Anya.
Hello.
And today what we're going to do is show you the Keter Denali 150 garden box or patio box. We've already assembled the smaller brother to this one, which is the Denali 100. This one is the Denali 150 box. It's a 150 US gallon box, or 570 litres, compared to the smaller brother, which is just the 100 litre box. Now, these are very high quality boxes. They're not the cheapest boxes from Keter, but they're very, very sturdy and they're designed to last a long time. The assembly time is round about 15 minutes. What we're going to do is show you the clock right now, and hopefully in 15 minutes time we should have this thing fully assembled. There's about 45 screws to screw in, so the only thing that you're going to need is one of these things and also a pair of scissors to open the box. So Anya, what we're going to do, we're going to cut the box open, take all the contents out and see what's in there. The first thing we want to do is put in the side posts, these things here. One for you, Anya. These just, that's all right, that's no problem at all. Right, each corner, it all fits together very well. That is the top frame, and then we've got sides to go in. Now, these sides, that's the external. And apparently you can actually paint this. It's got a very hard, rough textured surface, and we want to have them in so that this pointy bit at the top is at the top. So you slide these in. Very easy to do. And there's a few tips if this is the first time that you've put one of these things together. I'm going to show you a few tips of how to make your life a bit easier just in a moment. This is the back panel. It's the same as the front panel. Sorry, baby, you're having a bit of a problem with that one. I got it. There we are. Hang on. Oh. There we are. Push it down. Now, what we must do is make sure these are pushed right down as far as they go. Now, if you help me in with this one, pushed it all the way down, you'll notice that we've got the raised lip at the top all the way around. So that goes around that way. Let's just move this box back a bit. Okay. Okay, and make sure everything is pushed into place. That's probably the most difficult part. We're going to use the big screws to start off with, and I think we need about 24 of these things. Now, if you come inside the box, all the holes are pre-drilled. Sorry, they're not pre-drilled, they're pre-recessed, so you can set all these screws in quite easily. And off we go. Let's put them all in. Right, that didn't take too long. Keep going. The next thing we do is we get the top and we put that on and make sure. This is the bit that's the most important, I think, is to make sure you've got it seated completely and utterly properly on the top. And once again, go around, make sure the whole thing is completely down. That's important. Okay. Now we've got to do the same thing all over again, which is to go around and put the top screws in. Make sure you've got this pushed all the way down. Okay, so that's the box made. Very rigid, it's not going to fall apart. The next thing we've got to do, for some reason, we've got to screw this bar down here. This is a bar that keeps it rigid. We've got to screw this one down. I don't know why Keter don't do that in the factory, but they don't. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to put the hinges on, and with these you have to uncollapse them, pull them out to that position, and they fit in there. They have to be screwed down. Almost finished, and it's taken a lot less than 15 minutes as well. What do you think of it so far, Anya? Good?
You do very well.
I'm glad you said that. Okay. Okay, they're on. Right. And if you look at the recess part here, these very easily just slot in there, both sides. And then what I'm going to do is wiggle them into position like that. Two. And we get very, very close to finishing this. So that's the lid with the hinges and the gas struts fitted. Very, very secure. Now there's one little piece here which you want to put on, and that's this bit. And all this does is keep the back rigid. It pops in here. Like so, and then two screws, smaller screws, go in there, and that just keeps the back rigid. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's have a look at the clock. Did that take long? No.
15 minutes.
15 minutes, there we are. Now, this is the Denali 150, and behind it we've got the Denali 100, its smaller brother. Both of them from Amazon. And what I'd like to say is that we've got a few of these Keter boxes which we've put together. I like them. We've got 3 very large patios here, and we've got them on all of our patios. Now, if you've enjoyed watching this video, which I hope you have, I haven't particularly enjoyed making it because it's too hot, but there we go. Anya is behind the camera sweating away. What I'd like to say is please press the like button, and if you want to see any more videos, please press the subscribe button. And it's goodbye from me and from Anya.
Bye.
Bye, thanks a lot.
Thank you for watching. This video was sponsored by the makers of Senslip, the undergarment for men that solves sensitivity problems.